Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Nissan Rug maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, up, down, left, right, OK, for enter and back. We're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Let me get a little closer here. Sorry about the shaking. Okay, as you can see, maintenance required. Go ahead and use the left or the right to go find your destination, which is here. And when you get here, go ahead and go down to maintenance, enter on it, enter on oil and filter, enter on the reset. Actually, no, yeah, scroll down to the reset and press OK on that. Scroll up to yes, press OK on yes, and the reset has been done. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.